sorry about that. I hit something and the live went off.
But you're back?
I'm back on now.
So it probably just changed the screen. Okay. Give me a second. I'm coming back.
I went to hit it like you do on the iPad and it just went off.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, so next we're going to do probably the legs. How close should we do the legs?
The legs of the peacock.
Oh gosh.
Get back up.
Alright, it was off the picture. Okay. What did trying to decide if I really want to do that white.
I think the white might be too stark.
That's what I'm worried about.
Uh-huh.
So what color should we do the legs?
With our room key.
With our room key slash squeegee.
Yeah. There's Jody. Hi, Jody.
Hey, Jody. Let's see.
This is called improvising chalking.
Or squeegee room key slash. Yeah.
Oh.
Is the yellow too bright? Jody, look, I'm using one of your favorite colors. This one. Thank you.
It's a pretty color.
Okay. There we go. So, let's see. I'm trying to decide. How about a blue?
What color are peacock's legs? I don't know. I don't know that I've ever seen one.
Well, they're brown.
Don't get many peacocks in Montana.
They're brown, but
What about that pumpkin color? Whatever that is.
this one?
Yeah.
The legs? Done. You just have to say it, I'll do it. I don't care.
Whatever that color is.
Okay.
Hi, Cindy.
Hey, Cindy. We're chalking with the room key. Desperate times call for desperate measures. We left the show today intending to chalk and ink. Betty already inked. It's over there, right behind you, Betty. Show them what you inked.
So I did this, the little clutch with the new transfer. I am an original. Again, using the room key because, well, that's what we had. So sometimes it is hilarious. I just think it's crazy, but I can't believe it actually worked.
Yeah. It's not the best. I would not recommend it. Do not try this at home.
Right.
Okay, now we go with the peacock.
I kind of feel like we're being MacGyver or something, just using what we have.
Yep. We are. Okay, we're just gonna go for it.
Okay, here goes the peacock. Have you guys done this transfer before yet? I know it's one of the new ones that just came out, but... Yep, Jody says, fake it till you make it.
Is Amber still with you, Jody? So, we're pretty familiar with Fresno now. We could pretty much get around. We've had a lot of fun. This needs a little water, I think. Maybe not. Just needs stirred up better. I love the lime, so lime's gonna go in there. I have a lot of older colors I'm trying to use up. Oh, there I go. So I'm just gonna dab it. I don't know what this is gonna look like, but it's just chalk.
Right.
So if we don't like it, we can wipe it off. And then one more color. A little purple in there somewhere. This is remind me a little bit of my rooster. I have a really fluorescent kind of rooster. Okay. All right.
I love that purple.
The trick is going to be not to get
It on what you already have going on there.
Yeah, because I don't have a small squeegee. Could get really interesting or really messed up. So let's see how to do it. I'm gonna need a paper towel.
This is the interesting part right now.
Says you. Let's see.
Oh, she said use your finger.
Use my finger for what? Oh, for the squeegee? Oh, well, I just did wiping it off on my finger. You said use your finger, Jody?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think she does that with her feathers.
She said to mix and squeegee. Really? Then you don't totally squeegee it back off? Doesn't it get too thick? Oh my gosh, it's gonna turn out so awesome. I just know it is.
I should have put glue up here. Okay. Oh, I did. Oops, almost went into the S there. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pull it up.
The problem is the room key is so wide, it's hard to get into the smaller spaces with it. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love it.
I need to get more glue down here, but I think it's too late.
I know, but look at that. Look at his feathers there. That is awesome.
Okay, so we're gonna let this dry for a second.
They love it.
Oh yeah? You guys like it? Really? I'm a little sure. I'm a little unsure of this green right here. I want to put some glue down there. But I think I have to wait for it to dry, and then even then I don't know if it would work. Do you guys?
But look at this. Look at the blue up in there with that.
I
Wow.
should have mixed it better up here. Actually, I might be able to. Experiment time. Sorry.
Experiment like 53 of the day.
Yeah. Oops. Oops. What do you mean? Oh no.
Jody says, leave it. It's beautiful.
Oh my gosh, I'm such a messy crafter. Should be fired. Okay. Well, too late. I'm mucking with it. Now I got smuts all over my fingers.
Oh, look at it worked.
Yeah, I like it better.
Wow.
Now. Yay. Okay. Absolutely fabulous. What are we doing? What colors?
Absolutely fabulous.
Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, what color should I do absolutely fabulous in, guys? Because I'm struggling. Pink, purple.
What's the one next to the white?
Light blue. That. Mustard color. Oh, this is Nantucket.
Oh, did you use that already?
No, I used Tyteal.
Oh.
But the Nantucket's about shot. Blue. Okay, light blue. Okay, going down.
You see the color, the light blue there? Cindy said, I like the green.
Oh, the lime
The lime green?
or Tyteal? Hey, Susan. Talking in the hotel room. green. Light blue. I can't tell what she's saying yep to. What are you saying yep to, Joe? Oh,
So
lime.
Cindy's saying yes, lime green, and Jody's saying blue.
Okay, so we'll do one green and one blue.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna lay it down and I'm gonna pick it up again from over here so I don't have to pull up any of this peacock. Okay, tricky. Alright. This is tricky, just so you know. In a hotel room without your tools. When I say tools, I mean squeegee and everything else. Okay. Alright. Glitter. Yeah, okay. I lost my room key. There it is. Oh, too funny. Yeah, we're having a lot of fun, guys. Betty's awesome. We're gonna have so much fun at convention, Jody. You don't even know. You don't even know. Okay, so now I'm gonna stick with the blue. No, no glitter, Susan. Just a mixture of colors. And I'm just, unfortunately, I don't have my tools, like my regular squeegee, so we're just improvising with what we have in the hotel room, which is kind of not much.
The room key. That's all we have.
Sounds like Jody's excited for convention. Okay.
Not that far away.
So we're just gonna load it on there pretty thick the first time through, just like you would normally. Using our credit card slash squeegee slash MacGyver. Okay, I'm gonna go up here. Okay, now we're gonna scrape off the excess, which we couldn't do on the peacock because we blended all the colors. And we are going to be done with this bad boy in a second here. Scary. I feel like I'm gonna rip the transfer because it's so not squeegee-like.
It's just rough on the transfer.
Yeah, it sounds really rough. So I'm gonna try to be a little more gentle, but it's hard. And I need to see the design to know I'm done, but I can't see it. Can you?
No.
Okay, we're just gonna say we're done. Oh, I love it! I love it.
Oh my gosh. That turned out incredible. Let me take this.
So what do you guys think? Let me flip it around. Oops, sorry. Isn't that cool? I love it. I'll get it over by the light so you can really see it. All done with the room key. Oh gosh, too much fun. So we gotta hit the sack because we gotta get up early to go to the show tomorrow. And we wanted to have something to show them because we do have this transfer available at our booth, and we wanted to show people. So there you go. You guys have a good night. Say good night, Betty. Bye. I was gonna say good night, Alice. Good night, Alice. We'll talk to you guys later. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.